Welcome to Taiwan Mandarin with Mavis. Do you ever get confused with only and just in Mandarin Chinese? Some tiny words can completely change the meaning of a sentence. Let's clear up today. In this lesson, we'll learn how to use 只有才只是 including their differences, usage, and common examples. First, let's look at 只. It means only and is used to restrict or limit the subject or action. 我只吃水果. I only eat fruit. 我只喜欢历史课. I only like the history class. Next is 只有. It's stronger than 只 and emphasizes on exclusivity and a condition. It often means only if or only have. 只有努力才能成功. Only if you work hard can you succeed. 只有他可以跑这么快. Only he can run this fast. 只有 can indicate only if in conditional context or simply mean only in factual statements. 才 is different. It's used to indicate timing, condition, or sequence. It often means only then or just and shows that something comes later or less than expected. 他店关门前才来. He came just right before the store closure. 他这学期才拿 C. He got just a C this semester. 才 often expresses something unexpected, later, or less than anticipated. Lastly, 只是. It's softer and downplays and minimizes something and means only, merely, or just. 我只是开玩笑. I'm just joking. 我只是想帮忙. I was just trying to help. 只是 is often used to explain or soften a situation or an action. 只 and 只有 emphasizes exclusivity. 才 emphasizes timing, condition, and sequence. 只是 emphasizes softening, minimizing, and downplaying. 我只喝植物奶. I only drink plant-based milk. 我只有一个朋友. I only have one friend. 他表演快结束才来. He came just before the performance ends. 我只是问问. I'm just asking. Try making your own sentences using 只有才只是. Drop them in the comments, I'll check them. Like this video and subscribe to my channel if you think this lesson was helpful so we can learn Taiwanese Mandarin together. Bye, 下次见!